Okay, so this is the entrance. Alright. Turn on the light here. And this is looking in from the entrance. The stairs that go right upstairs. And over here is the bathroom for the main entrance. What's in there? Oh, ironing board, basket, vacuum cleaner. And then over here, another closet. Oh, for putting all of our stuff. Empty closet.
What's in there?
It's empty closet.
Bathroom, eh?
Yeah, this is a bathroom with a bathtub and shower.
Does it?
Yeah, bathtub and shower in here. Right here. It's a nice bathtub. A shelving unit.
Awesome. This place is amazing.
Very cool. Toilet. Nice big vanity. Come in here. It's a sitting area. Nice TV. Sitting room. Kitchen. Bar. Stove. Microwave. Fridge. Nice toaster. And then table. Table. And then this goes up to the
And I think
second
that's very
level.
insulting to have people come into this place and you look at the picture and the first thing they say to you is, "You are a freak."
Yeah. You're a freak.
And there's a balcony out here.
You are in freak.
You are a freak.
A door that opens.
Hey.
Okay, Torn, just wait, okay?
These windows seem like they're higher up from the villa.
This is like higher ceilings. I think it's like more modern style.
This is the master suite. The TV. Desk. King size bed. Temperature. Closet with safe. Bathtub. Toilet. TV. Get this over here.
See next to her.
Let's go. Towels. Go upstairs. There's another exit here to the fourth floor, top floor. And there's another sitting room here with a TV. Bathroom for the first bedroom with tub and shower. Towels. Toilet. Standing mirror. Oh, playpen. luggage. Careful, Torrent. Two double beds, TV. And that's another balcony out there. Go back out. Nice little light here. Oh, check that out. There's motion sensors for the, must be the air conditioning. And the next bedroom over here. Another closet. Inside this closet, another playpen, more bedding. Here, bathroom, light, lots of room in this bathroom, nice tub. Very cool. Another bedroom, TV, two double beds. Why? What did you do? The desk. Look at the giraffes in here. Go out here. Careful. Look at that giraffe.
Perseus. Hi.
Perseus.
Perseus. Oh, no, Silverhead. That's right, Perseus. Hi, Mom. Hi, Michaela. Hi, Perseus.
And everyone's downstairs. Alright, we'll check in later.